So I saw this on TikTok and I'm gonna try it out. All you need is a big tortilla. I forgot to mention we're making a quesadilla in a toaster. So all you need is a tortilla. You need some cheese. You need a toaster. So then all you gotta do is you gotta fold it in half like so. And then you gotta fold it in a square shaped like thing like so. I feel like it's gonna break, you guys, but let's see. Then you gotta like, you know, put it in the toaster without like getting electrocuted. And then you gotta toast it. And then we'll see. We're waiting for the quesadilla, and we're waiting for the quesadilla. And we're still waiting. We're waiting because I didn't have the toaster on. We were waiting. All right, so it got stuck, but it did melt. But let's taste it. All right. All right, I folded a little bit nicer because it got stuck, but let's taste it. It's perfect. Taste it. You have to taste it. It's so good, you guys.
You should taste it. It's so good.
Color to the fig. Just fold it a little nicer. Excuse me while I'm eating. Definitely try it out.